In the southeast, you don't have cattle routes. But in the north, we have cattle routes. And so nobody is going to say ban, open grazing, in some areas in the north where there are cattle routes, where they move constitutionally from one point to the other. But in the south, there is no cattle route. And so for you to move from one point to the other, you have to move through farms. You have to move through, population, dense areas. And this is not very good. And that's what the southern governors and, of course, Southeast in particular are saying. Let's go back to our traditional method of relationship. We will no longer allow you to take your cattle from one local government to the other. And the implication is that these foreign headers also come in terms of, mobile headers with AK-47. So that is a source of conflict. So anybody that is saying that there should be no ban on this thing is, on the other hand, saying that, look, these killings will continue. And that's what gave birth to ESN. Whether we support it as governors, we don't. But the people tend to support it because of the foreign headers that pretend that they are rearing cattle and then they are killing. In my own village, a white man was kidnapped in my village that's doing construction, by these foreign headers. And we've encouraged the federal government, let's treat this, cattle raiding as a business. Take money from the federation account and develop ranches where they are designated ranches, especially in the north. And the northern governors are willing, but it's been frustrated.
Hello, my people. I cannot believe what my ears are hearing. I can't believe this. So, this man made this short video you see here. It's very short, but there are so many questions one ought to ask. So many questions. Now, first of all, this man, he knows that these people are foreigners. They came in from outside with AK-47. At the border, are there no police people there? Don't we have immigration? Don't we have the army? How did they, what about custom? How did they allow these people to come inside? And this man, these governors from the south, they know that these people are foreigners and they came in with AK-47. But they allowed them to be in our forest for years, killing, maiming, kidnapping, raping. They did nothing. They did nothing. Not until ESN was established. Now, again, this man said that it is because of these foreign headers with AK-47 that was what gave birth to Eastern Security Network. He knows this. All of them, they know this. That because of these foreign headers with AK-47 killing and raping, that was why Eastern Security Network was formed. Because they themselves, they didn't do anything. But they, the governors, they did not support Eastern Security Network. Do you see this man is not even ashamed to say a thing like this? No conscience at all. You know that ESN was formed to, the purpose of ESN, to confront these evil people, these terrorists, whom people have allowed into our forests. That is the purpose of Eastern Security Network. But he refused to support Eastern Security Network. Why? Why are you people like this? These governors, why are you people so wicked? You know that the people, according to you, people tend to do what? To support Eastern Security Network. Why is it that you people want to impose your own will on us? Why not support? Because your people support the Eastern Security Network. Why not? But you said you are governors serving us. Instead, you are imposing your own will. How many of you? 11 of you in in Biafra land, where ESN is operating. You are imposing your own will by forming your own Ebubagun and this other security and this other. You don't want to support what the people want. Do you see how selfish, greedy, and very, very stupid and jealousy that has overwhelmed all of you? You know that your people want Eastern Security Network, and you don't want to support what your people want, and you call yourselves governors. Right as I speak now, the military and police are in our land fighting this same Eastern Security Network that you know that your people want. But you, the governor, allow them. You cannot come out to say, no, stop. Our people want this Eastern Security Network. Stop killing these people. Stop fighting them. You cannot. And you know what gave rise to this Eastern Security Network? You people, your hypocrisy is unbelievable. It's unimaginable. You see the level of cowardice in these our governors. This governor went on to say that they told federal government to take money from the federation account to build ranches or develop ranches for Fulani herders, foreign herders. You have this God, you have this mind, you have this kind of knowledge, stupidity in you. It can't be knowledge. So stupidity to allow, to tell federal government to fund ranching for private business. Especially these people, and you know that these people are foreigners. So how many times did you tell federal government to provide money for those selling spare parts? What of our own farmers doing their own private farmings? Did you tell federal government to get money and then sponsor them? This is a private business, for goodness sake. And because these people have so intimidated you, such that your cowardice cannot even let you to think that what you are trying to say or what you are telling the federal government to do is irrational. This is very, 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 very surprising to me that our governors can sit down with the federal government and tell them they should sponsor the Fulani herdsmen, do ranches for them. But what of other businesses? You cannot say, because you are too afraid. Because you are cowards. Are you supposed to be governors? Whom are you people representing? From this night, all of you supposed to resign. All of you that come up with this suggestion that federal government should develop ranches, take money from the federal account and develop ranches for Fulani herdsmen, all of you deserve to leave your seat tonight. Today is 20th of May 2021. You're supposed to resign this night. Today is when you made this statement in channel television live. You're supposed to resign, all of you. You don't deserve to be governors. You are a disgrace. A disgrace to the southern region. All of you. From today, all of you must get up and condemn the invasion of our land by the military because of Eastern Security Network. All of you must tell the army and the police to leave our land because of Eastern Security Network. You must. If you don't, all of you are going to pay the prices for all these atrocities because you are part of it. Yes, you have just said it now that you don't support Eastern Security Network. Despite that, the whole people in the region tend to support them. Yes, people support them because Eastern Security Network is doing what they are supposed to do. This is what you, the governors, supposed to do in the first place. You don't support it, and now these people are coming to kill those who are doing the right thing, and you kept calm. You are just watching. You are just watching. They should kill all the Eastern Security Network members because you don't like them. Despite that, the people like them, and you say call yourself governors. You have to get up now and tell this army and police to leave our land. Yes, anything that comes out of this their invasion, it will be on you people's head. Nobody will forgive you. We are not going to forgive you people. You people don't deserve to be governors. Leave your comment, my viewers. Say your opinion. I want to know what you feel about these governors. What this man just said this night is very, very shocking. Leave your comment below. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. See you again next time.